We have here with us Ms. Dhruvi Shah, CEO, Axis Bank Foundation, a professional with 20 years of diverse experience in the development and corporate sector, currently heading the various programs of ABF. She comes with a vast experience in areas which include livelihood, domain expertise, microfinance, not for profit management, philanthropic investing, stakeholder engagement, and strategic communication. Can I request you, ma'am, to please share our journey together? Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, and thank you, Mira and Youth for Jobs, for inviting me. And I'm really happy to be here and looking forward to the launch of book and the wonderful stories that it's going to tell. Um, so our association with Youth for Job began 8 years ago, 2014, and I have to say that we've grown together. Our association has taught us so many things, not just about an ecosystem, about an issue, but how to be inclusive ourselves. And what has always impressed me and all of us at ABF has been that Youth for Jobs had taken up a challenge which was very, very difficult. There were no precedents, so as to speak. And it was not just about engaging with people with different abilities, but about making an ecosystem work around it. And that to me is something that has always impressed me a lot. And when I say ecosystem, it is trying to deal with a youth himself who has his own challenges, their parents who have aspirations, and really very little means to go about it. But the most important thing, and which has been something that Youth for Jobs has been able to do, is to find jobs for these different abilities. Finding jobs that people with different abilities can do, making sure that organizations are able to appreciate it and become inclusive, which means talking to people in the business side, talking to HR, and our engagement with people have told us how much the organizations have got influenced by working with Youth for Jobs. A lot of organizations are more inclusive today because of the kind of work and the kind of engagement that Youth for Jobs has had with them. It's not just about job, it's not just about placement, it is about creating equity and equality in a workplace and therefore the society. The pride that we see in people, the families, after a successful job and a career is something which one has to experience. I cannot I cannot really express it fully, and but I have experienced it myself. And when you hear an organization talk about inclusivity, which has been influenced by person with different abilities working to them, is you know that there is a larger change that is happening, right? That one person, that second person, the third person, when they start working with an organization, believe me, the organization changes. There is such a long ripple effect, and the sphere of influence keeps increasing. So, we keep talking of numbers, so many people trained, so many people placed, but the real impact to me has been a very, very inclusive society and a very, very inclusive workplace. And but the world doesn't rest there. There is a different challenge coming all the time. uh, Most recently COVID, and our worry was how what will happen now. I mean, how do you continue in engagement where mobility is an issue, jobs are changing, but Youth for Jobs rose up to the challenge. New jobs, different stakeholders to engage. And what we saw, how Youth for Jobs pivoted, really, really amazed us. Is different kind of jobs were opening, different engagements was required, and that is where you know you don't stop when things become difficult. You live up to those challenges, and we've seen Youth for Jobs with that. In the last 1 year, 1.5 years, a very different program has come up, and the same people face same challenges, but it's about the ability to live up to those challenges, right? And it's not going to stop there. There are different challenges that will come up, and we are sure that Youth for Jobs is going to again surprise us and surprise many people and sometimes themselves, and how they are able to deal with these challenges. This whole new way of working is now more inclusive than before. And there will be newer challenges, and I am sure we are going to be walk with Youth for Jobs along that path. Yeah. So thank you so much, and I look forward to the book launch. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for those inspiring words. Thank you very much.